Okay, so hello everyone, whoever is watching it. Okay, so this is Oracle card based message coming in from the higher power you believe in. Okay, so basically, these two messages just not just like they are aligning together, but they are also like the energy I am feeling and sensing is so much in alignment. Okay, like basically you are resisting change, you are holding on to something that is no longer serving you. Okay, you are just scared of taking a new step, you are just scared what may happen, what may not happen. You are analyzing a particular situation so much that analysis is not actually leading you anywhere. Okay, it's basically you being scared of what will happen next, what will happen next, because you have gotten so much comfortable with the idea of living in the current situation, holding on to the past situations. Okay, so basically what the message is coming in, take only if it is resonating with your energy or your mindset or your situation right now. Okay, so I really want to be putting the like caption or sort of thing, so that you are able to understand what the message is about. Okay, so this is going to be timeless one. Your higher power, whichever power you believe in, it may be spirit guides, or it may be ancestors, or it could be divine. You chant, you believe in someone's power. That power is trying to push you ahead from the past. Okay, that power wants you to now just leave the past behind, even to leave the present scenario behind, because your present is completely occupied by the past. Okay, so what is the guidance coming in over here is that you are supposed to expect the unexpected, because that is the fun of the life. Okay, you can't constantly keep worrying about what will happen next because of your past situations. Okay, you can't constantly keep on living in the energy of fear. You need to get out of basically everything, and you need to move ahead with your life, just keeping in mind the experiences your past situations have taught you. Okay, not completely staying stuck in the past. You are supposed to be opening yourself to the new change, because this new change is going to bring you a lot of independence, a lot of fun, a lot of adventure. You are just one step away from it. Okay, so claim this particular message if and only if it is resonating with you. If it's not resonating with you, scroll it off.